Hi, welcome to A Dash of Real Estate. I'm Travis.
And I'm Rachel.
Today we will be showing you how to make a simple and delicious carbonara recipe.
And we're also going to show you a great investment property. Stay tuned.
Carbonara is a dish originating in Rome, although the specific history is disputed. It consists of a pasta, normally spaghetti, eggs, hard cheese, and guanciale or pancetta. It can be a cheap yet fulfilling, easy to make dish with a short cook time.
We decided to use bucatini. Bucatini is a type of pasta which means little holes. The holes in this pasta run through the entire noodle. These holes are great at holding sauces and flavor. We like to call them flavor tunnels.
Take the pasta and put it into boiling water. Make sure to heavily salt the water because it's the only chance you will get to season your pasta. When you drain out the pasta water, make sure to save at least 1 cup of water for later.
Next, we're going to add a small amount of oil to a cold pan. Then add the pancetta and garlic. We're starting with a cold pan so we can render the fat from the meat and get it nice and crispy. You could also add mushrooms or your favorite meat substitute for my vegetarians out there.
This creamy dish has no cream. The creaminess actually comes from the blend of eggs and cheese. We used 6 free-range eggs, added some grated Parmesan and Pecorino cheese, and then you whisk it, and you whisk it, and you whisk it some more. Now you take the pasta water you saved out from earlier, make sure it's hot, and add it slowly to the egg mixture. The goal here is to raise the temperature of the eggs without scrambling them. Make sure you mix it in thoroughly.
I'm going to add 1 more egg for extra creaminess. Combine all the ingredients until fully incorporated. It's better if you use tongs for this. Not really sure why I was using a spatula. But once thoroughly mixed, add parsley and fresh cracked black pepper. Be sure to taste as you go, as the pecorino cheese can be very salty. While I finish mixing and plating the pasta, let's check out this investment property. This investment property is perfect for first-time homebuyers or investors who are looking to add to their portfolio. This duplex has 2 two-story mirrored units. Each unit has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. You could live in 1 unit and rent the other out, or rent out both units for some extra income.
Alright guys, this is my favorite part. It's time to try it.
See, I enjoy using this style of noodle because that little hole that we have in the center of it, it allows for the cheese and it allows for, well, really whatever you're making it with. But in this case, it allows the cheese to really kind of get packed. So you're not just biting the noodle, you kind of get cheese with every bite too.
It's good, y'all. I'm dancing, so you know it's good. The salty cheese, and then the delicious pancetta. It's so good. Alright guys, so we've cooked, we tried it, you seen me dance because it was good. Now it's time to go. If you're interested in purchasing this property or one like it, email me at upgraderealtor@gmail.com.
Don't forget, subscribe, like, and share with everybody.
See y'all later.
See ya. Bye.